590 pound-feet of torque, 563 horsepower, and a 4-liter TFSI biturbo V8 engine is the new Audi S8. Car is equipped in standard with the Quattro all-wheel drive system with Quattro Sports rear differential, has over 5 meters in length and can accelerate 3.8 seconds from 0 to 60 miles per hour. The car has dynamic all-wheel steering. That means that front and rear steering systems can turn the wheels in the opposite direction to improve agility in tight turns, or in the same direction when changing lanes at high speed to help maintain stability. The car also has a predictive active suspension. By analyzing data gathered from the front camera, the electrically activated suspension system can adjust wheel travel and damper pressure to help provide a smooth ride over road imperfections and increase damping pressure to help improve turning response and reduce body roll. The Quattro Sports rear differential can direct power to the outer wheel to help power the Audi S8 around the corner. The new S8 can also be equipped with ceramic brakes with technology imported from motorsport. As I said, the 4-liter V8 has two turbos. The turbochargers are situated in the hot V between the cylinder banks to create a shorter gas flow path that helps the turbocharger spool quickly and improve throttle response. On the interior we have the new MMI from Audi. We have Audi Virtual Cockpit that is easily accessible and customizable. You can have heated and ventilated 22-way power comfort sports front seats. As in most modern and luxury cars, you have ambient lighting with a palette of 30 different colors. You can have your Audi S8 with piano black interior package. And several available packages are designed to treat rear seat passengers to an elevated level of luxury and convenience. The rear seats can be reclined, heated and ventilated. There are also high-resolution monitors and a foot massager for the back passengers. If you like music, you also have a 730 watts Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound systems with 17 speakers and a 16-channel amplifier.